So how can you purchase the services? First, enter app.onlytg.io in your browser to access the OnlyTG console and log in. Locate the shop option in the left menu. After clicking it, you will see the SMM panel on the right side. If you are a new user, click Recharge in the upper right corner to top up your balance. On the recharge page, enter your desired recharge amount. The exchange rate is 1 USDT equals 1 point, with a minimum recharge amount of 10 USDT. Select a payment method and click the bottom button to create recharge order. Complete the QR code payment after verifying all order details. Once the recharge finishes, return to the shop page where you can check your current balance in the upper right corner. Now, let's proceed to buy services. Select your target platform and growth type one by one in the left category bar. All services under this category, along with relevant details, will appear on the right, including service ID, price, minimum and maximum order quantity, and average processing time. You can copy the service ID into the search box above for quick service lookup later. Next, click the service name or the buy button on the far right to open the order details page. Here's a handy tip. Hover your mouse over the service name to quickly preview full service details without opening the order page. I'm selecting a service to boost view counts for Telegram channel posts. Once on the order details page, you can still view full service information on the right. If this service isn't what you need, click back to shop in the upper left corner to pick another one. If you confirm this service, fill in the information on the left. Double-check the service category and name, paste the corresponding link into target link, and enter your desired purchase quantity in quantity. Please note the quantity cannot be lower than the minimum limit. After filling out all fields, the system will automatically calculate the required points. Simply click Create Order below to finish creating your order, and the service will start automatically. Click View Order here to check all your order records and statuses. Let's check out the growth result. This Telegram channel post has gained over 500 extra views, matching the quantity I purchased. Besides the web console, you can also purchase social media growth services via the Telegram bot at SMM OnBot.